but this is true. This is true. So this is called Bambusa old Hamii, and comes from China. Mrs. Selby planted this probably in 1962 or something, 63, somewhere around then. So that's roughly 60 years ago, right? Now, she bought it from a local grower. The local grower probably got it from, I don't know, maybe somebody in California, and somebody in California imported it from China. It probably goes back. So anyways, there's probably this long chain that finally ended up here in Selby Gardens 60 years ago. Now, it's been growing. You can see it's a pretty big clump, and it's never flowered. It's a grass, so the flowers aren't spectacular, but the fact is it's never flowered. It may flower this year. It may flower, 5 years from now, 10 years from now. Nobody knows. But the point is, when it flowers, it'll be flowering here in Florida, it'll be flowering in California, it'll be flowering in China. It doesn't really matter where the plant is. This entire species will flower at the same time over maybe a 2 or 3 year period. And then it'll all die. The whole species will all die, reseed, and all start again. And then, even though you might have been timing it, maybe it was like 68 years. Next time it could be 30 years, it could be 50 years. There's something in the plant DNA that tells it when to flower and then die. So no one knows. Scientists are still puzzled by it. And when I first read that, I thought, that's just incredible, because amount of rainfall, amount of light, all it doesn't make any difference. It's programmed to flower at a certain time. A lot of plants now, are programmed to flower after, say, so many hours of darkness. As soon as they get to be so many hours of darkness, the plants will flower, which is good. So you have plants in different locations, all flowering at the same time, so that insects can cross-pollinate. Sometimes it's rain. Sometimes if you get an inch or two of rain, it triggers the plant to flower. Rain lilies are like that. All of a sudden, they all flower at the same time.